Welcome to WeSpread, the ultimate platform for connecting people and business with premium companies across India. Let's dive in and show you how to make the most out of your journey with us. Once you open the website and sign up as a business advisor, you will be taken to Business Dashboard, where you should start setting up your company details. Describe the core domain, services, pricing, languages, specific consultation details, and business images. Our platform allows users to find the right professional for their needs with ease. So make your profile shine. Followed by the next step, where you need to fill in your calendar availability for video consultation with clients. Followed by the final step, where you are required to fill in your company account details. What's in it for you? Through WeSpread, each consultation builds trust, showcasing your expertise and fostering long-term client relationships. And all consultations are paid, so you benefit from every session. After each session, users rate and review, helping others find you. With every positive review, you build credibility and attract more bookings. Now let's look at the video consultation feature, the heart of your interaction with users. Each session lasts an hour, enabling you to thoroughly understand clients' requirements and needs, thereby provide personalized solutions.